Introducing the Magward 2.5-ton mini excavator, the perfect solution for farms, gardens, and small construction projects. Powered by a reliable Kubota Yanmar engine, this crawler digger delivers up to 12 horsepower for smooth and efficient operation. With CE, EPA, and ISO certifications, you're guaranteed top-level safety and quality. Plus, it comes with a 1.5-year warranty for peace of mind. What makes this excavator stand out is its multifunctional design, customizable with different colors, logos, and accessories to match your needs. Whether you're digging, landscaping, or handling farm work, this compact excavator is built to save you time, reduce labor, and increase productivity. Don't wait. Upgrade your equipment today and experience the power of Magward. Right finger click the link in the description to buy now and take advantage of exclusive deals.